Hi everybody, this is Bev. Today I get to introduce you to the new small number crafting dies, and there's 3 cool things I want to show you how to do with them. So when you die cut them out, you end up with some stuff that looks kind of like this. So you end up with the circles with the numbers in them, and we also have done a solid, so you'll see right there there's a solid that comes with it. And then you also end up with the little pieces that fall out of it. So you've got the 1, 2, 3 along with those circles. And you can use those several different ways. So for example, let's say I wanted to make this say it was 2017. Then what I would do is I would get out the blue circle with the 1 cut out of it, and I might layer it on top of just one of the plain circles that I've cut out of the white, and then lay it right on top to add the year to this photo. So that's one way you can use them. Now another way that you can use them is to instead cut out the individual numbers, take the numbers that have fallen out of that circle and just place them straight on to a circle. So let me see, here I've got a white one that says 6 on it, and you could just put it in the middle of that circle to make a 6. So that's what I did to make the 3 and the 4 to go on this card. So you could say, you're how old? Oh, 34, to make a cute little card just using the solid circle and some of the die cut numbers. Now when you're working with these small little numbers like this, it can be kind of a pain, so I wanted to give you a couple tips for that. One is that one of my little tips is to just take some of your adhesive and just put a little bit on your finger. Somehow that makes it easier for me. And then take, this is supposed to be a 9, I hope it's not a 6, and just pat that 9 down onto your finger to pick up some glue. And it is small, so I'm going to give you another tip, which is I use a stick pin sometimes to help move it around. So these floral stick pins are really inexpensive, and it makes it really easy to just slide it where you want it to go and then slide it into place like that. So a little glue on your finger, and then a little stick pin to slide it where you need to go, and you've got the number that you need. And then of course I keep a little bit of baby wipes next to my table so that I can clean up my finger. Now another fun thing that you can do is you can take that 2 and that 9 that we just put together, the 9 we just put together, and you can lay them on a layout like this too. So you could be celebrating a 29th birthday, for example. And then the last thing you can do is you can take those little numbers that you've cut out. So here I have a 4 and a 5, and you can use them to make a list. So in this case I'm planning to use this on a scrapbook page where I've just made a list of why this matters, and it's going to tuck behind like that.